The movie opens with a glimpse of a world on the brink of collapse due to the challenges posed by rapid technological advancement and the strain on Earth's resources. Dr. Hartley unveils Nexus, a neural interface that allows people to enter a shared digital realm, the Nexus Horizon, where they can interact and experience a life free from the limitations of the physical world. As more people embrace the Nexus technology, the line between reality and virtual reality becomes increasingly blurred. Dr. Hartley's creation, initially celebrated as a breakthrough, begins.
You've just watched a video introducing the movie that I've just created. It's incredibly simple and free, entirely made using AI technology. Hello, my name is Lee Min, and in today's video, let me show you how you can create a full movie introduction using free AI tools, similar to the video you just watched. Part 1, Script. I asked ChatGPT to write a script for a science fiction movie, and within seconds, we had a script provided by ChatGPT. Part 2, Image Generation. To obtain images to convert into a video for the movie, I used a tool called Leonardo AI. After logging in, I selected AI Image Generation. Next, I chose a 16:9 aspect ratio, pasted the movie script, and clicked Generate. After waiting just a few seconds, I had the image, which I could easily download to my computer. Part 3, Voiceover. We utilized 11 Labs IO. After logging in, you choose a suitable voice from the voice library. Then, you copy and paste the script generated by ChatGPT. Select Generate to start creating the audio file, and simply click the download button. Part 4, Video Creation from Images. We visited a website called Pika Art and clicked on Join Beta and accepted the invitation to Discord. After accessing Pika, we started creating a video from the images by following my instructions. Once you have the command, upload the images you generated earlier and hit Enter. It takes a moment for the system to create the video. Scroll down to find your video. Here it is. Watch the video created from my images. Isn't it amazing? Now, all you need to do is download it to your computer. Part 5, Video Editing. We use Canva to edit videos. First, select the empty video section, then upload all the videos we just created with Pika, as well as the audio file. Next, place all the video scenes into the empty video section. Pika only generates each video scene for us that lasts 3 seconds, so I slow down the playback speed to make each scene 6 seconds long. Please remove any blurriness to make the video look more professional. Similarly, you edit the following scenes of the video in the same manner. After finishing the video editing, we add the audio file and click Share to download the video to our device. Now, sit back and enjoy the result we've just created.
The movie opens with a glimpse of a world on the brink of collapse due to the challenges posed by rapid technological advancement and the strain on Earth's resources. Dr. Hartley unveils Nexus, a neural interface that allows people to enter a shared digital realm, the Nexus Horizon, where they can interact and experience a life free from the limitations of the physical world. As more people embrace the Nexus technology, the line between reality and virtual reality becomes increasingly blurred. Dr. Hartley's creation, initially celebrated as a breakthrough, begins.
How do you feel? Isn't it wonderful? If you find the video I shared interesting, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Goodbye and see you again.